Hit print, and the page comes out completely blank. No ink, no error, nothing? Here's how to fix it fast. First, print a test page straight from the printer itself, no computer involved. If that's blank too, the problem is hardware. If it prints fine, the problem is your document or software. For hardware issues, pull out each cartridge and check for leftover plastic tape covering the nozzles. It's an easy miss, especially on new cartridges. Then run a printhead cleaning cycle from your printer software, since dried ink can block the tiny nozzle holes if the printer's sat unused for a while. For laser printers, shake the toner cartridge to redistribute what's left and make sure the sealing tape was actually pulled before install. If your test page printed fine but your document didn't, check for white text on a white background. Make sure you picked the right printer in the print dialog. And confirm your quality setting isn't stuck on draft. Still blank after all that? It's likely a dead printhead or fuser, and it may be time to replace rather than repair. Need an affordable replacement cartridge? Castle Ink's got you covered.